What your name is? 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 I said nobody wants to hear you rhyme. 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 I said nobody knows your name. Knows your name. Don't know your name. Don't know your name. Don't know your name. Don't know your name. I said nobody wants to hear you sing. 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 Who are you kidding, man? Nobody knows your name. Nobody listens to you. Nobody likes your game. You wish that you're the person everybody wants to hear, but the cold hard truth is nobody even cares. And I really think that you secretly know. After your first song, everyone thought you got old. But what did you do? You just made more. Here comes track number 2, and then 3, and then 4. You kept making more because you wanted to be heard, but no one even wanted to hear one word. But after your first album, it stopped all the chatter. Then you made a second one. Did you think you got better? Nobody knows what your name is. 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 I said nobody wants to hear you rhyme. 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 I said nobody knows your name. Knows your name. Don't know your name. Don't know your name. Don't know your name. Don't know your name. I said nobody wants to hear you sing. 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 I'm sorry, but I had to make the song. I had to make it because everything you're thinking is wrong. It's just wrong. You think that they want to hear you. They don't want to hear you, but no one even cares about you. They just don't care. I'm sorry for that, but it's true. It's just the truth. You should just give up on what you do. Just give up. I'm telling you this as a friend. It's just friendly. I don't want to see you hurt in the end. Nothing personal. I'm telling you all of this because I'm just a nice guy, and I don't want to see failing go and ruin anyone's life. Just take my advice.